What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Brian back at it. A lot of you guys have been asking me how I get my cash. You guys see the cash in the videos, 50,000 plus. My watches, thousands of dollars, $10,000s of dollars. Pretty much the main way I make my money is CPNs, and then I make a little bit of money from commissions and a little bit of money from mentorships. So the main way, the CPN method, I'm going to be teaching you guys. It's pretty simple. So what I do is I buy CPNs, right? And I don't like to build my own CPNs. I personally think it's a waste of time. I let the professionals handle it because they have computers, they have automated systems, and they have connections that can build CPNs really quickly. They have aged CPNs and it can pump them out very well without any mistakes. So I like to buy CPNs with around 100k or a little bit less in them. And when I mean 100k, I mean in available funding. So let's say 100k in credit cards. And this is generally pretty easy to pull out, anywhere from 10 to like 50k with no problems. And then the rest of this, you would just spend it. So let's say you spend 50k on, I don't know, car payments, right? So you can buy cars. You can spend it on, I don't really buy luxury items like purses, but you can buy purses. I like to spend it on watches, for example, because if I don't like a watch, or if I need some money later, I can sell the watch, whatever. So I think it's a good investment. But that's pretty much how I do it. So what I do is I use the cash up method, where I add the credit card. I add the credit card to my cash app, right? I add it to my cash app, and you're able to withdraw money from your cash app. So you can just withdraw cash, and that's how I get my money generally. And then I also have multiple cash apps through the CPN, of course. And you can also get business cash apps via your EIN you can create, or you can even use the SSN number from the CPN profile to create multiple cash apps. That way you can spread out your withdrawals to not raise any red flags. But generally it's safe to withdraw anywhere from 10k to 50k a month, and you usually don't have any problems. If you start doing more than, I think, around 100 to 150k, you might get some problems if you don't watch the money properly. You can also use the money to buy crypto. So you can buy Bitcoin, which is a good investment. You can buy meme coins, whatever you want, right? You can really do whatever you want with the money. Now, where do I get my CPNs? I like to get my CPNs from tradelines. It's the best in my experience and in my clients' experiences. It's the quickest way, and they usually include the most in the CPN. Like I mentioned, you can get these 3 packages. I like to get the pre-built for my personal, the pre-built 800 plus. So that gives you an 800 plus credit score, an elite profile, and it adds all of these onto the credit profile, and then you get access to all of this funding. So this is at least 100k in funding, and again, I like to take out anywhere from 50k around there, and the rest I can invest. And also, if you want, you can do the business CPN package. This is for heavy spenders. This is for people who are looking to spend a lot of money, which means you're looking to start a business, you're looking to buy a house, you're looking to do anything that requires a big credit line. Anyways, that's the short answer as to how I get my money. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I have a lot more videos coming, and I have some other videos on my channel that you guys can watch. Have a good one.